I even let you dance at our wedding. And yet you still ran. Ungrateful brat.
I don't want to marry you. You're my uncle.
Uncle? I took you in when your father died. It was me who fed you, who raised you, who clothed you. And this is how you repay me? Come on!
Stay away from me! I'm 21, you're not my guardian anymore!
Then you'll marry me! You belong to me!
You think that fancy house is gonna save you? No! That's the notorious Vineyard Heirs Estate. Get back here, Chloe, you're mine! Get back here!
Wait. In here.
Chloe!
Who's chasing you?
Uncle Ben, don't let him find us. He will kill us.
I hate playing hide and seek, Chloe. Come out, wherever you are.
Try to find you, Chloe!
Shit! Oh, that's just great. Perfect.
It's okay. You're safe now. Oh, right. Sorry.
Thanks for helping me, Mr. Plumber.
No way. Could it really be her? Could it really be her?
Mr. Meredith, I'm so happy I finally found you. I have the mandate to bring you back home.
Tell my dad, my freedom's non-negotiable. Hey, Dad!
Hey, catch him! Mr. Meredith, they all say that Marriott Winery will fall apart if you, Elliot Merritt, are not leading the show.
When I'm ready to take over, I'll be back.
Go after him!
I don't care about management and paperwork. All I want now is...
Who are you?
Ignore me. Keep dancing. Thanks. See ya.
Have we met before?
No. No.
Sir, can you please take me? I have nowhere to go.
Oh. You're awake. Mind if I cut this off? You've got scars all over you. Did that bastard do this to you? I swear I know you can hate.
No, please. I just got away from him. Just stay with me, please.
All right, fine. Does it hurt?
Oh, no. Thank you. Yeah. Marriott. Are you a Marriott?
What's Harriet done to piss you off?
I heard he was a notorious estate owner. Just like my Uncle Ben.
I'm not so sure about
I just
that.
can't fall into the arms of someone like that again. I'm not a slave.
Damn, if she knew I was Elliot Marriott, she would just run away. I wouldn't see her anymore. Relax. He's not the type to just pop on by. Besides, he owns hundreds of estates. He probably doesn't even remember this one exists.
Right? Then who are you?
Oh, I'm just a humble plumber. Elliot Fields.
Okay. The fruits you requested.
Just in time. You really outdone yourself this time, man.
My pleasure, sir.
Starting today, I want all maids, butlers, drivers, bodyguards, and plumbers on leave. Full pay.
Why is that?
I don't want to scare Chloe. Just do as I say and destroy everything with the name Marriott on it. Okay.
Elliot! Elliot! My dear Marriott Air.
Marriott? Air?
Oh, look at you! So handsome as always.
What are you talking about, Grandma? Has your dementia kicked in early? I'm the plumber, Elliot Fields.
Fields? Since when did we have a...
She can't know I'm Marriott yet.
Is this some romantic charade of yours?
Something like that. The owner of the estate is away on holiday. He only trusts Grandma and I to take care of it while he's gone.
Lovely to meet you, Mrs. Fields.
You can just call me Grandma, dear.
Elliot, darling, are you here?
Who's that?
Just, clients.
Yes, quite a persistent client, dear.
Elliot, you can't hide forever.
Hiding?
Well, isn't this charmingly awkward?
No, I just feel like I'm missing something.
Look, Chloe, I can explain. I think...
There you are. Elliot. There you are. Elliot. Where is he?
Elliot?
The garden. Again?
So, who is that woman?
Her name's Vivian. Was my fiance. Our families arranged it. It was never finalized.
So, you're engaged?
Well, technically, we never called it off, that's all. Vivian can't see Chloe. Knowing Vivian, she'd make Chloe's life miserable.
Grandma? I know he's here. Stop playing games. Elliot?
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. It reminds me of you.
Chloe, look at me. You're safe.
Feels like I went back east. Watch me.
Chloe, look at me. You're not alone.
Huh. What's this?